In a $1 million lawsuit, Tyrese Gibson alleges that Home Depot engaged in racial profiling. Following an alleged instance of racial profiling at a Home Depot location in the Los Angeles area earlier this year, Tyrese Gibson is suing the company. According to a complaint filed Wednesday in Le Superior Court, the Fast and Furious star visited a Home Depot store in West Hills, Calif., with two associates on Feb. 11, and the trio experienced outrageous discriminatory mistreatment and consumer racial profiling firsthand. In addition to statutory damages, attorney's costs, and the $1 million that Gibson believes he has spent at the home repair company over the years, Gibson and his associates, Eric Mora and Manuel Hernandez, are requesting punitive penalties, pre- and post-judgment interest, and such other relief as the court may deem just and proper. The declaratory judgment stated that Home Depot's acts violated California's Unruh Civil Rights Act. Diversity and respect for all people are core to who we are, and we do not tolerate discrimination in any form, a Home Depot spokeswoman stated in a statement to EW. We appreciate Mr. Gibson as a client, and we have communicated with him and his attorneys multiple times in the months following this incident in an effort to address his concerns. We'll carry on in this manner. In his complaint, which EW has examined, Gibson claims that because of a purported glitch in the system, fans noticed Gibson during a protracted checkout. Gibson made the decision to depart and wait in his car while Mora and Hernandez finished the purchase so as not to disturb the peace in the store. Gibson allegedly told the cashier about his plan and that his associates would be using his credit card at this point, according to the complaint. And the clerk acknowledged Gibson and said he understood. The lawsuit then states that Gibson asked the cashier if she needed anything else from him in order to finish the transaction. No, the clerk replied, allowing Gibson to depart. Gibson used FaceTime to resolve the issue and subsequently went back to the store, but the cashier apparently refused to finish the sale at this point. The cashier gave no reasonable explanation other than repeating store policy, and demanded to see a form of identification, the complaint states. The management declined an in-person conversation with Gibson. Gibson was able to finish the purchase, but only after a protracted and contentious argument with the cashier. The cashier's and manager's actions were discriminatory based on race and origin, the complaint continues. There isn't another logical reason for the plaintiff's abuse. Gibson repeatedly authorized the transaction, but it was denied. Because of plaintiff's skin color and, in the case of Mora and Hernandez, also because of their national origin. This is an egregious case of consumer racial profiling and discriminatory maltreatment. The Home Depot's treatment of Gibson, Mora, and Hernandez was dehumanizing and degrading.